It's very scattered. Where I came here, very follow through wasn't something. It's not my strong suit, especially coming into this retreat. I have no problem starting many things and being very fiery and fiery, and being inspired and kind of it's the element of air, just being able to flow from one place to another. However, there's an element of groundedness and fluidity, so a constant stream of attention and effort and a more firm, purposeful sense of direction is something that I completely lacked prior to coming here. Something that I can proudly and with a warm, full heart say that I've achieved through the means of the medicine and spending some time in nature, really being with the elements and getting some dirt on my feet.
What would you say is or are your main takeaways from your work here?
This being able to sit and comfortably breathe with my belly, to look you in the eyes, to look all my friends in the eyes here, and know that I feel loved and complete within this one.
And how do you feel this is gonna impact your life when you're back and your relationships?
Like I said before I came here, I was very scattered, so my attention to others, my love for others is very finicky, very lightly spread, or spread too far thin, I should say. Now knowing my fullest capacity, not only knowing my fullest capacity, but also carving out and cleaning out my ability to contain and manufacture, love, attention, joy, focus. This is something that I'll be able to rest on and share. I have it. I have all these things for myself first and foremost, and now that I've filled myself to a great deal, it's easier for me to give love here, give attention here, give help there.
Mm-hmm. Do you have any fears before coming? Any worries?
I was afraid that I would come here and I would see the truth of my life back at home, that it was all facade, a lie, an illusion. I told myself things that I adopted, dreams and aspirations of others. I was afraid I was going to come here and find out that I've lived my life as a phony. And it's far from the truth. I think I came here and I discarded beliefs and emotions, perspectives, and garbage, literally garbage inside me. Things that I've accumulated and hoarded thinking that they're mine, and yet they don't belong to me. Things that I may have picked up along the way, things that weighed me down, held me back, that I was somewhat aware of, but not the extent of how I came to pick this up or how I clung to toxic things. So coming here, there's something about the water, the company, the earth, the medicine, the song, the dance, the fire, the animals that help me come back to my truest nature inside, which I got a good glimpse of this retreat, and it's something that I will continue to explore in the time coming, on my way home, and my journeys here on forth.
Beautiful. And finally, what would you say to someone who is sitting on the fence and sure about whether he or she can come, wants to make it?
camera see this?
Sure, yeah.
If this is something that you're on the fence of, you're on the fence, which means you've given it a great considerable amount of thought, something to it that calls you. I say have faith and trust that this is something that purely and utterly transformational, fulfilling, and welcoming you back into this home of your heart.